Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter.
Open automatic repair screen. To do that, power off your computer 3 times exactly when Windows boot logo appears at the time of computer starts. After 3 consecutive restarts, continue booting and it will open repair screen. Now on this window, click on troubleshoot, select advanced option, then select startup settings. Now click on restart, then enter F4 to enable safe mode. This will take a few minutes. After that, enter your PIN and hit enter. Now you are in the safe mode. To go back in the normal mode, open run, type msconfig and click on OK. Now go to boot tab, check safe boot option, click on apply and then OK. Now simply just restart your system. There we go.
Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.